Oh, shit. Oh.
What's cracking, everyone? This is Dr. Carlos. Today, I've got my cousin Crizam from Crazy Fit LA coming in. He's going to be here in a couple minutes, so let's get right here to it.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, Chris?
What's up, brother?
Hey, thanks for making it out to my office for me.
Found this in my car. I got flyered.
Let's come around this way.
Sounds good.
How's the business been?
It's been good, brother. Helping people get strong, healthy, and sexy.
Oh, we're all about it.
Look
Follow
at
him
dude.
at Crazy
Nice.
Fit.
CrazyFitLA.com.
All right, I'm with
The
it.
Crazy Fits YouTube channel.
What are you feeling today, man?
Actually, I pulled my neck muscle and trap here on the right side, last Friday. Yeah, I was doing Krav. I was
Krav Maga? Is that the martial arts?
Yeah, the self-defense one. I was throwing I'm pretty sure I'm throwing like a right cross or a right round kick. I felt something like a pull. Yeah, but it didn't start hurting till I woke up on Saturday.
Any headaches?
I did. Not right now.
Not right now?
Not right
But,
now.
All right. Let's have you start on your back, actually.
Sure.
Feel a little bit of
turn 7.
stiffness more on the left side than the right. So you feel how it's bouncy here, not as bouncy right there. I'm gonna adjust that spot. Is that cool?
Yeah, go for it.
Snap.
Oh, shit.
You never get used to that.
No. Like, I know it's coming, though. It's
Let me
just
get your
like,
hands. Let's have you sit up.
all right.
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream.
As you know, Kuya, the neck and the low back move a lot. Mid back's always stiff because we got ribs. Chin to your chest. Take a deep breath in, all the way up.
Oh, dear. Snap, crackle, pop.
Just a tune-up today
Oh, thank
because
goodness.
you're already super healthy.
Oh, hallelujah.
How much body fat you got?
Oh, I'm fat right now. Probably at like 19% right now.
19% fat with a six-pack. What's up with that?
So I call it fat abs. I got fat abs right now.
Flabs.
Fat flabs.
All right, I'm gonna adjust this spot. Is that cool?
Yeah, go for it,
Take a
man.
nice deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God!
Oh,
Other side.
oh, man. I'm just glad I didn't fart. Jesus.
Want me to adjust your ankles too?
Yeah, please.
All right, cool.
Oh, sheesh. Oh. Oh.
Ooh, that last one was really good. That's a tune-up. Less than 5 minutes.
Oh, thanks, brother. Oh.
So if you want to get crazy fit, you gotta hit up Crazy Fit Crizam, www.crazyfit.
.mobi.com or crazyfitla.com. Them guns.
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Do 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 shaboom.